effect is called caught red-handed. I have a pack of cards. What I'd like to do is shuffle the cards, please. Shuffle as much as you'd like. Happy with that? Alright, thank you. Would you like to shuffle the box? No? Okay. The world's greatest gambler gets together with the world's greatest magician for a game of cards. So the gambler says to me, he says, I can take a shuffled deck and cut right to one of the aces. And he took the deck just like this and he shuffled face up and a face down just to raise his stakes. You can see we have a mess here. Some of the cards are face up, some are face down, helter-skelter cards. With the cards in this condition, he then took the deck and he cut right to an ace, just like that. Then he proceeded to do that again. Ace number 2. Give it another cut. 3 aces. It's 1, 2, 3 aces. And then what he did at that point is he actually made a mistake. Because what he did was he cut the deck, and instead of cutting to an ace, a card spun out of the pack. Just like that. And so he said, we get one more try. He did it like that, he messed up, he got a 10. Just like so. And he said, that should be good enough, 3 of a kind, to beat you. And I said, not so fast, I'm a magician. I took the cards, changed it right into a royal flush. Just like that. And I also managed to unmix all the cards. And the old gambler says, that's pretty good, but in a real game that wouldn't work, because you get caught red-handed. Those cards aren't even from this deck.